Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. We'll wait 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll get started. Let's get the questions in, like up the stream, all that exciting stuff. All that exciting stuff. So keep the questions and everything coming in. And we'll get started in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See you shortly. Rightio, good morning guys. Hello, what up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What is everyone got planned this weekend? Is anything exciting? I played extremely early this morning and then I went to the gym and I am exhausted and then I have football later. Played at 6 a.m. Very, very, very long day. Very, very, very long day. Okay, let me just get all the stuff up. All right, cool. Good morning, everybody. Hello, traders. What up? What up? What up? What up? Okay. We have... NAM's not looking too good. Good morning, APLD. Let me have a look at APLD. What's happening with APLD? APLD. Same routine as I have every single Friday, and I had it for I've had it for a very, very, very long time. I'm only here till 10 a.m. Eastern, and I am gone and done for the week. That is my game plan every Friday. APLD's in demand zone here, possible reversal. I don't think there'll be a reversal on a Friday. Personally, on Fridays, I would trade for the first hour at market open and then call it a day. That's simply how I would trade. Demand zone. So you're in a demand zone here. Maybe if it holds $12, looks all right. But for now, nothing exciting going on. To be honest, that's what we have. So APLD is in demand zone, which is a possible reversal. That is where buyers step in, so there is a possible reversal. To link your Discord through what? All right, for those who are going to join the Discord has now got spots open. Just a reminder, because you start on the 1st of the month, it doesn't mean anything different from you starting on the 15th of the month or the 13th of the month. You will still have a month from when you join, not from the 1st. All right, just to make that clear. So there are spots now. If they are not available, that means they're all gone, but I know for a fact there are spots left. Here is the link to join if you want to. All right, cool. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What up? What up? What up? Abe, VRME. VRME looked like it was trying to reverse, I think. Yeah, VRME was trying to reverse, but the issue is you have this resistance, which has caused this wick right now. We're going to draw better falling wedge, something like that. We have this. You could wait for maybe like 118 break. So possibly above 118. Entries above 118. I'd wait for 118. I wouldn't enter now. Although you are in a demand zone, should push up, but you want volume for this to push up, then it'll be good. So much bank on Fig. Yeah, well done on Fig. Well done, well done. Well done, well done, well done. Raya is a pump and dump. I will be going over this once, and I will be going over it no more times than that. This is a stock that is SHIT. You don't know what that is? It is shit. Which means no good, which means bad, and I think everyone and anyone who doesn't even speak English understand what that is. Do not trade this stock. It is trash. That's all I will tell you. QS is going down, down, down. You do not want to trade something that is going down, down, down. You only want to enter when it breaks above the downtrend. If you want to take a risky entry because you feel like you need to gamble for some odd reason, then you can take it above 952. Currently bearish. No good. The stock is no good. No yachts for me this weekend. No yachts. MWYA. YN, I'm assuming. YA? Yeah, it's YN. Yeah, this looks good. 185, 205 are your next key levels on this. This is looking like a great setup. Looks very good. You can wait for a downtrend break. You can use the 1 minute time frame. I just have the 5 minute here. Downtrend break looks good. Wait for downtrend break. You can wait for downtrend break to enter. Means the candle body needs to close above. Like this, candle body closes above, that confirms the breakout, then you can look for an entry. You do not want to take it if it doesn't close above. Here's the candle body. If it doesn't close above and rejects like it did here, do not take the trade. I don't know where it will break the downtrend. That is why you can copy my chart. It can be down here at 150, it can be all the way down here at 97 cents. I don't know where it will break. You can copy the chart and decide when it breaks. Good morning. Take my fam to the beach. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Wish I could do that here. It's too hot. What up, Shan? What up, what up, what up? Good morning, Abu. The RME didn't hold resistance. 118 break on that. I'm watching this big pullback on FTMT. Oh, wow. This is surprising. Why did this not follow through? Is that it even closed above VWAP? Oh, I needed to break this high. That's why. We can just draw the downtrend like this. I'm not really going to update the falling wedge. We'll just keep it like that for now. Something like this. That is what we have. Yeah, I don't want FTMT. Yes, smart. That's what you want, Mr. Totes. Correct. Raya. Yeah, Raya is trash. FFAI. We've had one great week this week. Let me do and check my recap. Actually, let me look. Hassie's recap this week was, let's look. It's under journal updates. So, yes. So Hassie's recap of the month of July. He had 44 trades taken. So 44 alerts, 38 wins, 6 losses. That equals to an 86% win rate. For this week, he took 12 alerts, 9 were winners, 3 were losses, 75% win rate. Everything is tracked and recorded in the Discord, so you cannot question or think we're cheating or lying because we update it every day. And then under my section, we can go to daily recaps. What day was the start of the week? 28th. So on Monday, I gave 1 alert, which was green. On the 31st, 28th, yeah, on the 31st. Sorry, oh, here we go. Sorry. Okay, on Monday, I gave 1 trade, which was green. And then on Tuesday, I gave 1 trade, which was red. And then yesterday I gave 2 trades, both were green. So we've had 1 red trade given this week. That's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 alerts, 1 red. 4 divide 5 is 80% win rate. There you go. Quick maths. See that? So you can see we give 1 or 2, 3 maybe trades a day. That's really what it is. It's quality over quantity. Anyways, let me see what's happening. Pyramid and hold. Is my MIN still going? Well, let's look at the chart. Is it still going? No, it's not going yet. If it breaks the downtrend, then yes, it's still going. Well, yeah, it is still going. It's going up. But I would not buy when it's in a downtrend. Yeah, I don't have FFI. Right, FFAI. FFAI has a very low volume right now. It's expected to break out on this falling wedge, but it needs to hold this like $2 support. Below $2 is no good. So FFAI is still bullish. FFAI is still bullish. Open, guys, I'm just going to go over open one more time. Let me just actually, before I go over it, let me just post this link so we get more people in here so I can tell more people about this shitty stock and get people to never trade it and teach them a little lesson. One sec. One second. Okay, FFII, yes. So we'll just wait a bit. I'll go over open in a bit. Good morning. Can you have a look at BTAI? BTAI, what's happening BTAI? BTAI, I'll only enter this above 209. If it gets above 209, that would be a good entry point. Anything below, unfortunately, I cannot help you with that. I can tell you above 209 looks good for entries. Keep a stop loss and a target. Entries are only above 209. Remember, folks, it's not how you handle your wins, it's how you manage your losses. That is correct, Totes. That's the best piece of advice you could ever give. Good evening. What up? Good evening. I guess it's late afternoon here in Dubai. Anything below 610 on FMT? Yes, you are correct. NAMM. NAMM is going down. It's in a downtrend and it's below VWAP. Those two things indicate that you should stay away from the stock. So the first thing is a downtrend, which is clearly drawn here. Then you go and turn on VWAP and you can see it's also below VWAP. So you're only entering if it's above VWAP. If I have to take this trade, I'm entering it only above 862. Why? That is the major resistance. It would be above VWAP. It will be in a bullish trend. It will show that it's obviously what? The buyers are in control and that there is a higher probability to go up. That is all. I want to trade something that has a high probability to go up. Right now, this has no high probability to go up as of yet. Yes, you could possibly say it's in a demand zone, all those great things. For me, it is too risky to take the trade now. Right, T-Non. T-Non's running. I will add this to the watch list. Right here we go. 4-hour time frame, T-Non. So it looks like it went straight up, but it came straight down. Not interested on something that's just obviously had news or running like this. I don't know how to trade it. I let it cool off for maybe 20-30 minutes and then I will look for possible entries. But trying to buy a stock that's just run based off news is a waste of time because it's a gamble. So 148 is your resistance here on T-Non right now. I'd wait for close above this. 148 break. 150 would be better because psychological. Question, do you wait for... I never use the 1 minute. I only use the 5 minutes. So your answer is there. I wait for the 5 minute to close above. Personally, that's not a strategy I use at all. I don't ever use it. But it is a strategy I share with everyone because it's a very simple understanding. So I'll explain it to you very simply like this. This is your resistance line right here, right? So let's say this is the resistance line that I always draw. Let's say it's in purple. This means that this is the resistance, okay? Now, next thing is, just imagine, you can see it's on the 4 hour. Just to understand for new people, the time frame does not matter. This works on any time frame. The larger the time frame, the better, because there is more confirmation. The more confirmation, the higher probability will go up. However, as a day trader, we're not going to wait on the 4 hour time frame. We are not trading on 4 hour time. All right, we are focusing on shorter moves, quicker moves. We day trade, we're in a stock for a few minutes and we are out. That is why I like to use the 5 minute. It's not the best time frame. It's not the worst time frame. It's a time frame that works for me and what I teach and what experience I have. So I don't know how well it works on a 2 minute. I don't know how well it works on a weekly, daily, but I can tell you based on technicals, if it closes above a resistance, there is a higher probability to go up. Now, this is a very simple understanding. Everybody, please listen up if you are new. This is the candle body. This is the candle wick. This is the high. This is the low of the candle. Okay, you should know this. This is very basic stuff. Okay, now, if a candle body, this candle body here that I've drawn, let me just put it in yellow. If this closes above the resistance, this confirms what? A breakout. It confirms that now the stock is no longer below resistance, which was bearish. It is now bullish. What does bullish means? It means it's going to go up. It means that buyers in control. It shows that there is a higher probability that this stock will go up. Now, if you have a candle that did not close above the resistance and it had a strong top wick and it came down, it indicates that it did not close above, which means a fake out. This is confirmed breakout. This is a fake out. This is a breakout. This is a fake out. You are only going to take trades if it closes above a resistance. This confirms that now there is a higher probability the stock will go up. You do not want to buy here when it's closed below because there is a what percent chance? I would say 70% chance the stock will continue to go down. If a candle body closes above a resistance, there is a 70% chance it will probably go up. Simple. Very, very simple, basic stuff. If you didn't know that, that is $1 million answer right there for you, and you can learn it and save it and do whatever you need to do. Now go and like up the stream because I just gave you some valuable information for the new people. NCNA is no good. And the same thing is with that purple line I just drew, it applies exactly the same thing. This is just a diagonal line. It's the same thing. So what did I say? If a candle body closes above the resistance, that means there is a higher probability the stock will go up. Has this closed above the downtrend? No, it has not. Therefore, you do not want to take the trade. So you have to wait for the candle to close above. Once it closes above, that is your entry point. Right now, it is no good. No good. So NCNA is no bueno. Yes, I did chart BTI, but I'll do it again. Let's get the questions in, guys. Questions. Did everybody understand that? Did everybody learn something? Did it make it clear to you? Do you need any other questions about what I just went over? If so, ask, because if you don't ask, you will never know. Right, 235 is what you're looking for on LXEH. This has no volume. I would avoid it. BTAI, right over here. BTA breaking downtrend. So Mr. Joseph Lee, which downtrend do you have, my friend? This is not breaking the downtrend. This is not breaking the downtrend yet. If a candle closes above, that confirms that it's broken the downtrend. You have to wait 4 minutes and 30 seconds for that candle to close above. If it doesn't, then you don't. VWAP is also in the way, which is not good. I would only enter for maybe risk entries above 187. Here, 209 is best. NVNI. NVNI, for me, not my style of trade. Obviously, it is under $1, so I'm not interested personally. What I would do is I would draw here and just draw through this. I would draw a downtrend. That's what I would do. Maybe above the downtrend break. How do you know where to draw the lines? Practice, practice, practice. What lines are you talking about? Are you talking about the straight line? Are you talking about the horizontal line? You can simply just learn and go onto Google or YouTube. You can join the Discord to actually understand how to draw the lines correctly. It's very simple. It's called trend lines. Like this. It just takes practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is the #1 thing in trading. You don't practice, you will never learn. PSTV, for me, not my kind of play. Another one that's in a downtrend here. I would personally wait for close above this downtrend. Ideally, you want it above here because there is a lot of resistance around this level. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections around 6, 1, 4, 5. So even if it closes above here, you have this resistance. Close above here, you have room all the way up to this resistance here. So this is what you have. PSTV in a downtrend. In a downtrend, which means that there is a high probability it will go down. Right, let me just retweet this link one more time and then get some more people in here. How many of these bots under my thing is saying here are the details of the Discord? Like, piss off, man. Stupid scammers. Hope they get hit by a bus tonight. LWLG, LWLG, LWLG. Nothing on LWLG. The best advice I can give you when you're looking at plays, all you have to do is go to a larger time frame like I have on the 4-hour, draw the trend line, go from the high to the low and see what the trend is doing. Right now it's going down, so you don't want to touch it. So LWLD, bearish. Very simple, easy way to explain it. UAVs. Is UAVs running again? UAVs needs to hold here, needs to hold big time. You are in a demand zone and you're still in this falling wedge. Just have to update it, but obviously it is very, very, yeah, it needs to hold right here. So right now nothing is exciting. It's down below $2. I'd wait for $2 reclaim. So UAVs, wait for $2 reclaim to enter. Yeah, $2 break to enter. LIDR. This was a very disappointing play yesterday. Expected this to run, it did not. Only above 466 would be a good entry point, in my opinion. Entries are only above 466. Why 466? Because why? This is a high. Break that high, push to the upside. Join Discord, then watch all the videos. Yes, watch the videos, because when people join in the Discord, they don't ask, they don't do one thing, and the one thing is that I ask is for them to watch the videos. Don't watch the videos, then you're gonna waste your time in the actual value that the Discord brings. If you're there for the alerts, fantastic. You're gonna have to wait a bit because we do not give 100 trades a day. Why there's so many bots in trading comments, I don't know, to be honest. It's annoying because they're trying to scam people and it's an easy way to make money. Think about if they spam 5,000 people a day, they just get one person to give them $10,000, they're fine. WNM. $5,000? Wow, fantastic, brother. That's a crazy amount of money. I would definitely call it a Friday if I was you. I would definitely call it off if I was you. USAR, USAR, USAR. We have 4 hour. Okay, so USAR, we are here. We have it here, here, here. $13.37 break would be good for entries, and you have room to like $15. But nothing right now. Wait for, I'm assuming this is Scott earnings or something. MWYN, yeah, I just drew it here. You could wait for a close above 185, looks good. T-Non, I went over that one already. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, close above 150. Fig is just a IPO, it's just a hype on this. Just a hype on this one. If it breaks the all-time high at 148, it should run hard, but it's $148. I'm not really interested, to be honest. I don't trade these kind of plays, IPOs. This one's not looking too good, unfortunately. Yeah, right now it's just in downtrend, broken below demand zone, so you have to update the chart. Unfortunately, you have to draw something like this. Trend line, get some touches, 2 touches, 3. Yeah, right now it's just bearish. I'm new and watching videos. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Love to hear it. What are Open's key resistance levels? Everybody listen up about Open. Are you ready? Are you ready to listen to this about Open? Open, in my opinion, is a load of trash. It is a pump and dump stock. I don't care if you love the CEO or you're married to him or you know the husband or the wife or the cat or the dog of the owner or you love the news or the company. This stock is running based off stupid price targets, stupid people putting stupid information out there to make you buy the stock. And listen to this. You buy it here at $2 and it runs to $20 a day. I guarantee you, you will not take any profits. That is how traders work when they're new to trading and they love the hype. They're like, no, it can keep going up and keep going up and keep going up, and then it comes down. Exactly what it did over here. It was up at $5 and now it is down 65%. It is going to run a little bit, but nothing crazy on the stock. The stock is getting heavily manipulated. It will run up a bit, causing more bag holders to get in and average down or whatever they need to do. But in my opinion, if you want to be a very smart trader, avoid all these stupid stocks that are getting pumped and has about 1 million likes on a photo on these posts and things. Focus on pure price action, learn technicals and trade correctly. That is it. Stop trading this trash stock. That is it. Yes, it's in a bullish chart pattern to go up. I don't care. I do not care about this stock. That should be clear for everyone. Here are your key levels. $275, $320, $4. That is it. Yes, Open is the new hollow. You are correct. Any price target for Fig? Yes, $1 million. No, brother. There is the target, and I will tell you this, what I do, every single trade I've taken for the last 5 probably years, I hold for 3 to 5%. That is it. If it runs more than 3 to 5%, great, I will scale out. I hold for 3 to 5%. If that's not enough for you and you want to hold for 20%, you can. I'm letting you know what I do. Price targets for me is a load of shit. I don't care about price targets. I aim for percentage and that's it. Same thing over and over again. SBET is in the demand zone, falling wedge. Possible breakout, but I don't know when the earnings or anything's going on with this. So yeah, best of luck. Best of luck with this. Gonna be going over one more play and then I am done for the week. Party, party, party. Falling wedge plus demand zone. Also, new members, please, can you just do me a favor and watch the intro video and listen when you've joined. On Fridays are a short day. Hassie is not here at all. I get asked every day, where's Hassie? Where's Hassie? He's not here on Fridays. He does not trade on Fridays. He is nowhere to be seen. He will be back on Monday. Me, I am here pre-market like this, and I will be here until 10 a.m. Eastern. 10 a.m. Eastern, I am gone. I am done for the week. I do not look at the Discord. I have a life outside of the Discord, funnily enough, and I have other commitments, unfortunately. Monday, Friday, I am here, but Monday to Thursday is the full day. Monday on Fridays are a shorter day because the market opens up here at 5:30 p.m. When it opens at 5:30 p.m. in Dubai, people have a life and they finish with their job and they go and do things. It's exactly what I do. So just for people to understand why I've gone missing or something, I do also have a life. But I'm here pretty much 24/7, Monday to Thursday. Right, last one is GNS. GNS is another one like open. Leave it alone. Look, do this. Right click, delete. That's what you need to do. Off the watch list. All right. Why did you trade open last week? When did I trade it? There. Okay, this is a perfect example. Mr. Gameball, you ready to listen to this? Are you ready? Just because I post a stock on Twitter, it doesn't mean I'm in. And just to give you a little insight, 99% of the stocks that I put on Twitter, I do not trade them at all. Okay? The stocks that I'm putting on Twitter, a lot of people ask me because I chart a lot. They want to see what the stock looks like, what the chart is. A lot of people request charts every single day. Hundreds of people ask me. Okay? I'm just replying to them and giving them my feedback and what my technical analysis is on open. And I've been saying it 5,000 times a day. You are only entering it above 275. That is my prediction as the best entry. If you want to enter now, you can. I do not trade it in the Discord. Everyone knows. The Discord members who are here can vouch for it. We do not trade open. We don't touch open. We don't care about open. Why? Because the exact reason why I said it's getting pumped. It's trash. That's it, bro. It's no hard feelings about it. But I just get worked up because a lot of people, I don't know if you're new or just in general, people think because I post something on Twitter, they think that it means that I'm in a stock. I'm not, guys. I'm not. You can see. I will tell you. I've taken 7 trades, 8 trades maximum this week. All right? That's it. That's all I've done. I've posted thousands of charts. How can I get in every single chart I put on Twitter? Right? Yes, I say boom and all this stuff, but I'm just saying and showing my technical analysis that it actually worked and all those things. Whether people take the entries is up to them. I try and explain to them risk management to do it and use it and make sure to have a stop loss because I say it, and I try and give my best advice on where they can enter. I don't just say buy, buy, buy. Here's your $500 target. I try and give a insightful technical analysis for people. All right, so that's what I do. But in my opinion, if you're entering any trade, just make sure to have a stop loss. That's all I can tell you. That is it. All right. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Any questions? Feel free.